Shopify's $1 deal sounds too good to be true. Let me expose what's really happening. Before we dive in, if you want to check this deal out yourself, click the link in the description below to get your discount. Now, let's investigate this together. So here's the deal. Everyone's buzzing about Shopify for 3 months at just $1. My first thought, what's the catch, right? Well, I did the digging so you don't have to. First, yes, this deal is legitimate and still active as of now. But here's what they don't shout from the rooftops after those 3 months. You're automatically enrolled in their regular plan, which starts at $29 per month. Now, is it worth it? Absolutely, if you're serious about starting an online store. You get access to all their basic features, templates, and tools for practically nothing. Just remember to set a calendar reminder before month 4 if you want to avoid that price jump. The real question isn't whether the deal exists. It's whether you'll actually use those 3 months to build something profitable. Ready to give it a shot? Hit that link in the description and grab your dollar deal before they change their minds.